Nana Pilar. La patrona de la diócesis de Imus, Nuestra Señora del Pilar de Imus Coronada. According to tradition, Saint James the Great traveled with great effort to Spain to evangelize the local tributes. With little apostolic conversion, he deemed his mission unfruitful. At his lowest point in 40 AD, the lady appeared to him by the banks of Ebro River in Saragossa to console and encourage him. The Virgin Mary, with the child Jesus in her arms and standing on a pillar, asked St. James and his 8 disciples to build a church on the site, promising that it will stand from that moment until the end of time, and in order that God may work miracles and wonders through my intercession for all those who place themselves under my patronage. Lovingly called Nana Pilar by the people of Imus, the image was brought by the Blessed Martin Lumbreras Sanchez de Peralta from Mother Spain and was enshrined in one of the churches of Old Manila, eventually transferred later to the town of Imus, where a church was built for her to be shared to the people of Imus for public veneration. Our Lady of the Pilar was declared titular patroness of the established Diocese of Imus by St. John the 23rd in 1961. The miraculous image of Nuestra Señora del Pilar was canonically crowned on December 3, 2012, under the papacy of Pope Benedict XVI. 8 years after her canonical coronation, the Imus Cathedral was declared as a diocesan shrine by Bishop Reynaldo Evangelista. Mahal na Birhen del Pilar, aming lakas at kagalakan,
ipanalangin mo kami.
Viva la Virgen! Viva la Virgen del Pilar! Viva Nuestra Patrona!
La Festeada, la Patrona Principal en las Filipinas, la Inmaculada Concepción, Mater